Hey guys, I wanted to show you something on, I seen a guy asking on Facebook about it, so I thought I'd do a video, and I'm not sure why I never did a video of this before, but it's, I should probably do a video on it. Anyways, so working on a 12 valve. This is 12 valve only. I'm going to show a common rail block after we do this. This is a 12 valve only, so that you guys are aware. I shouldn't say 12 valve only. Storm block 24 valve, so VP44. Use the same block as the late 12 valves, so they're the same. So you basically 1989 to 2002 Cummins engines in the pickup trucks, on-road application or off-road application different, but pickup trucks, you're going to see this. So this is the rear cam plug. Now originally I just popped this one out so I could do the video. There is a O-ring in there. You can buy these O-rings. They don't come in gasket sets. Just one of those. I personally don't use them. You could if you want to. And then this is the plug that I just pulled out of there. Now this is the new plug, and they just call this a dished expansion plug. And it's not like they just use this. This is something that they've used for years and years and years, instead of the cups versus the cup style. So what I do on them, very simple. So I'm going to take case sealant. I'll put a link down below for the case sealant for you guys, because somebody always asks. There's the case sealant. I'll put a link down below for this. Oh, actually, that freeze plug, expansion plug, actually an expansion plug, actually a core plug. I don't know what you want to call it. All kinds of different names. Technically a core plug, but so this is the part number for melling. Anyway, there is more than one part number. But this will work on the 12 valves. That part number right there basically has all the frost plugs that you need to put one together, or all the expansion plugs. I don't know, I keep saying frost plugs. All the expansion plugs, but the one that you need right there. You can. See if I can find a link for that. I'll put a link down below somewhere for that. Now, put this in. Super simple. This isn't going to be a very long video. So. Case sealant. I gotta hold the camera, so just bear with me here. I don't know if I'll be able to show putting the sealant in there or not, but it's not real that hard. But you just basically put a little bit. You can just use RTV for this too, and fill that cavity up as long as this doesn't run out. I'm not doing a whole job here. Just want to make sure you get some in the groove. You don't want it down inside the bearing where the camshaft sits. But it's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time here. But where I'm standing is in the room in between the office and the shop where I store my blocks. So, but like I said, you don't need to have like a crazy amount down in there, but you want to make sure. I missed a little spot right there where I couldn't see. You can just roll the silicone down. Come on. Like I said, this is considerably easier, not holding the camera when you're putting it in there. There we go. Just want to make sure you get a little bit around there, all the way around. Just make sure you wipe out the excess out of where the journal is. Or the cam journal is going to sit. Now you just take the expansion plug. There's actually a part number. I don't know if you can reference that or not. Set that down inside there like a so. Hammer. And that's literally all you have to do. Fixed. Now if you want, and this is something that I always do. Oh, I'm out of silicone. Oh, eh. Well, anyways, you guys get the drift. Basically, what I always do is I just run a little. Well, there might actually be enough. Just watch when you're doing this, because that edge sometimes is sharp. I'll have to go get a new tube to finish it, but no. Oh, actually, no. It's good. So anyways, you can wipe that off. I usually just take a razor after it dries to take the excess off. But anyways, that's all that it takes to do that. This is a very, very simple, but the guy was asking what to do, how to do it. So I thought I'd just do a quick video. Pretty simple. Now I want to show you guys common rail block. Well, I got you on here. So this I didn't edit. I did nothing for like 5 minutes. So that took 5 minutes. Very simple. Now, all of the common rail blocks are the same way. Now this one has a bearing. Some of them will have a bearing. Light on the subject here. So this has a bearing on this end. Wait, oh, actually, you know what? Let's go over here where the light's better. I just want to show you guys the difference. There's no way you could install one, but this is an engine that we got. So this one has a bearing in the rear as well. So some of them have a bearing in the rear. Not all of them, just depends. But this one does not have the space for that cap to go. So pretty easy. Like I said, your 89 to 90, or sorry, 89 to 02 engines will have that, and we replace them when we rebuild them. On final assembly, we always replace them. So anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments if you got any comments, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.